this particular Bitcoin mining app will enable you to literally mine free BTC just by using that specific app right here, which is this particular Bitcoin app. And the best thing about all this is that it's on Google Play Store, and everybody can have access to this particular app right here and use the app to literally mine free BTC just as they claim. So I will show you step-by-step guide on how you can navigate this particular Bitcoin mining app that you downloaded on Google Play Store right here. And then at the end of the day, you will literally get to know what to do, how to do it, and where to withdraw to, and when to place withdraw right here. But before then, listen carefully and know this, that I'm not responsible for your losses or your gains right here. Meanwhile, you have to do your due diligence investigation and research before you go ahead and sign up in any of this particular free BTC mining app right here on Google Play Store. So this is actually a disclaimer for anybody that literally want to get started with this particular app right now. So all what you just have to do right now is just for you to hit that subscribe button right here, because I normally share tips and trick on how users, which is my subscribers right here, can literally make some money on the internet, just as you can see right now on your screen. Okay, so at least a little penny is still something for you. Now go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that anytime I drop new video right now, you'll be the first person to be notified anytime I drop the new video instantly, so that you can do everything instantly before everything gets known by the full public. Okay, now just go straight to this particular Google Play Store right here, search for this specific app right now. Let me show you the app on Google Play Store, take a look at it. Okay, so this Bitcoin cloud mining. Now this is the particular logo right here. Go ahead and install it, very easy and simple. And then you just have to go ahead and navigate the particular app with me. So here is the particular interface of the particular app, just as they literally claim right here on Google Play Store. So all we just have to do is just for you to wait, give me some few minutes so that I can access the app and show you what I observe, what I think concerning the particular app. So here is the review of the app right here on Google Play Store. So a lot of people are giving it 1 star, others are giving it 2 star, some other ones are giving it 3 star right here, even some people are also giving it 4 star and 5 star right here, on and on. Now let's just go ahead and make some conclusion using this specific app. Now I believe you have installed the app and the app is actually active in your phone, so just go ahead and click on open right here. So the app will be loading right now. So all you just have to do, exercise some patience so that the app can load up. So I will literally let you know that there will be some few ads that will be running that will be displaying right here in this particular app. So those particular ads is normal. Now you just have to go ahead and put in your language right here. So go ahead and select your region, then go ahead and click on continue. So you just have to go ahead and continue with Google just by clicking on Google, so that you can sign up with your Gmail address. So if you have referral code, go ahead and put it right here. In all, it is optional. You can just go ahead and click on strike. So take a look at it. It says congratulations. So now you just have to go ahead and click on get started. So just go ahead. I told you earlier you have to watch some ads right here. So some ad is necessary right now. Go ahead and click on watch, or you can just go ahead and click on no thanks. So take a look at the main home face, which is the home interface of this specific app. Now you have literally in this particular free Bitcoin right here available on this particular app that you downloaded on Google Play Store. Now just go ahead and scroll down right here. You will see where it says daily reward and quick reward. Let's just go ahead and click on start mining right here so that you can start mining. So take a look at it, how my BTC is adding up time to time right here on your screen right now. So take a look at it right here. So I just literally have a notification that yes, that someone have placed withdraw right here from this particular country right here using this specific app. Okay, so this actually approved, but meanwhile I have not literally confirmed withdrawal right here. Okay, so now take a look at it. This is counting, and you just have to be checking this particular app time to time. If this particular number have counted to 0, you go ahead and click on it, and you know, as user, you just have to watch some ad and continue mining your free Bitcoin right here. So just go ahead and click on upgrade right now. There are a lot of ways for you to upgrade. You can watch ad and boost for 4 minutes, and then you can upgrade with money. So I would prefer you to watch ads for free so that you can literally boost for 4 minutes for free. Please, I'm not advising you to literally put in money right here, because me myself, I'm just trying it out right now, reviewing it to tell you how my experience is right here. So I will also make another video concerning this particular app, showing you how my withdrawal went through for some days now. So now let's just go ahead and click on settings right here. This is how the settings looks like. Now go ahead and click on withdraw, which is wallet right here. Now you can just go ahead and paste your wallet address right here, then select your withdrawal amount. Now take a close attention to this, which is withdrawal limit. The withdrawal limit is 0.1 BTC. I think for you to be able to earn 0.1 BTC in this particular place right here, it will take much time, maybe within some few months or going to 6 months right here. So to be able to earn this particular amount of limit of withdrawal will be very hard. Now I think this is one of the red flags, but although I will still keep on mining some free BTC right here time to time, and I will come straight to this particular channel and drop the video of how it went, like how I usually place withdraw if the withdrawal was enabled for me. Okay, so that's the more reason you just have to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be getting more videos just like this. Okay, so I will literally drop this video right here. Bye bye for now. I will see you in my next video.